When the silver of these winter nights is shining in drops of ice, and I crawl into my bed, and the clouds won't help me, but at least we keep the voice down. Those voices inside my head. What's in the sky? All the stars we'll never see, and I will carry with me all those kisses we'll never breathe. When the nights will be haunted by the clanging of the cost of hers, and our worlds are sad and down, and the miles will taunt us with our dreams just turned to dust. But you can't tell where it began. No one's in the sky, all the stars we'll never see, and I will carry with me all those kisses we'll never breathe. No one's in the sky, all the stars we'll never see, and I will keep with me all those kisses we'll never.
The birds fly south as the light leaves your eyes. Hold on to your dream. Oh, I know you wanna scream. Since the day you're born, you're just a flower on your own, waiting for the sun to blossom, hoping to break through the storm. It's now or never, but
Can never enough of you. I can't be satisfied. I wanna sink with you in luscious drops of time. Oh, you honey in my mind. Oh, you honey in my mind. And when we kiss, my heart is shaking like a willow tree. The whole house is spinning. The waves will freeze across the sea. Your lazy staring makes me spin like a roulette. You say a word and I am a captive of your net. Cause you honey in my mind. And when we kiss, my heart is shaking like a willow tree. The whole pose is spinning. The waves will freeze across the sea. And when we kiss, my heart is. Yes, when we kiss, my heart is shaking like a willow tree. The whole pose is spinning. The waves will freeze across the sea. Across the sea.
Los Angeles is my home. Had a fair share of heartbreaks, made way too many mistakes, but Los Angeles is my home. My hometown makes me homesick, won't go, let's a book around trip. LA, everybody wears pasties, acting real crazy, cheersing to no babies. Yeah. LA, everybody has a sunroof, singing like they're trying to make the sun move. And I love it, I'm finally done running. Just got my head above the water, learning how to be a better daughter. Don't know how you did it by yourself, raising a whole family without help. You let me go to find myself and found a way to send me out to LA. Everybody wears pasties, acting real crazy, cheersing to no babies. LA, everybody has a sunroof, singing like they're trying to make the sun move. And I love it, I'm finally done running. Los Angeles is my home. It took some time, but now I know.
It's another day to live another fairy tale.